Hi, my name is Thomas, and I'm here with Owen, a first-year student in Stoughton. We're going to be talking about Owen's project. First, Owen, what's your project called? What's your project name?
My project is called Swata Stats.
Very nice. And can you tell us a little bit about your project?
Sure. My project is basically for an academic team, quiz bowl, Scotts bowl, whatever you may call it. And it's basically to keep track of statistics, game stats, team stats, player stats. And it's a better way for teams who may not have as much computer science skill, like they use by hand, which my school did. And so this is just an easier way for them to do it and keep track of stats.
Awesome, very cool. And what inspired you to make this project for your final?
What inspired me is basically because I used to be a Scotts bowl player. And I know that my whole region does it by paper, and it usually takes them about a month turnaround time from our season to release our stats, who won and stuff like that. So I thought this was a much easier way. It's way faster. It's basically real-time stats. It calculates as soon as you put it in game stats. So yeah.
Yeah, fantastic. In that case, can we see a live demo of
sure.
what you made for us?
Okay, so basically here what we have, I assume they can see it. So you put in your team name, which is Richlands High School, which is where I went to high school. Team 2 name, Ridgeview High School. How many directed questions they got correct, how many bounce back questions they got correct, how many bounce backs they heard. You can input a player, how many questions they got right, how many interrupted penalties they have. Then you can add another player. So for example, I'll just put Addison. And then you just drop down, very simple. If they jump in, which means they played half the round, you can click that too, and then the same thing over here. And then you click submit, and it'll automatically populate the games found. So here at the bottom, you see the game we just inputted, and the individual game stats. And then you can go to player stats, which shows each player. You see David Malan's at number 1. He's obviously the best player there. And then you can hover over to see what these statistics actually are, what they mean. It's sorted by points per game. And then same thing, team stats, similar, just more stats. Yeah.
Awesome. It looks fantastic. Owen, thank you so much for sharing your project with us today. We're here at the CS50 Fair. My name is Thomas, and this is CS50.